Hello everyone, it's Songling here. I am a home cook and I love eating. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I share simple, delicious, and healthy recipes that you can recreate at home. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday. Today I am going to show you how to make Chawanmushi, which is Japanese savory egg custard steamed in a small bowl or a teacup. Here are all the ingredients. As usual, I will put the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. The traditional recipe calls for ginkgo nuts, but I wasn't able to find any. If you have it on hand, that's great. If not, don't worry. Your egg custard is still gonna taste amazing. Now, let's get cooking. First, peel and devein the prawns and marinate with 1 tablespoon of rice wine. I had 3 prawns left in my freezer, so I used them all. You can use only 2 or 4 or none if prawns are not your thing. In fact, Chawanmushi is very versatile, so feel free to customize the ingredients of this recipe to your own liking. Well, except the egg, and maybe the dashi broth. Get 2 slices of carrot. If you want them to look cuter, cut them into flower shapes with a vegetable cutter. Trim off the stems from the shitake mushrooms and cut into slices. I used both Naruto and Kamaboko fish cakes because I have them. Feel free to choose either one since they taste identical. Whisk 1 large egg in a bowl, add dashi broth, soy sauce, and mirin, then mix until everything is well incorporated. I used regular soy sauce because that's all I have. As you can see, the color of my egg mixture got considerably darker. If you would like to avoid this, use light soy sauce instead. Now divide the prawns, carrots, shiitake mushrooms, and fish cake evenly into 2 small bowls, then pour the egg mixture in. For this step, I strongly recommend using a strainer because that's how you achieve the smooth texture. If you don't have a strainer, skim off as much foam as you can with a spoon. Trust me, this is one of the times that you don't want to get lazy and skip this step because if you do, there will be tons of small air bubbles in your custard. Cover the bowls with tinfoil and put them in a steamer. Once water starts to boil, turn down the heat and let the egg mixture cook in a gentle steam for 15 minutes. When your timer goes off, carefully take the bowls out and remove the tinfoil. Use oven mitts because it is not fun to get burned by steam. I learned it the hard way, so trust me. Garnish with cilantro or parsley and enjoy. So, like I mentioned earlier, Chawanmushi is very versatile. I will leave some suggestions on alternative ingredients in the description box below. And if you love eggs full of umami flavor and cooked to its tenderest and smoothest form, I strongly recommend you give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I am here every Monday and Thursday. Also, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!